And this evening, lawmakers in Ohio are also looking at tackling illegal immigration. The America First Act was reintroduced, this after it failed to get passed last year. 10 TV reporter Kevin Landers explains the intentions of the bill and why immigration attorneys see trouble ahead.
If you are breaking and entering into my country unlawfully, you don't belong here.
Inside the State House,
I could easily get picked up today because of the color of my skin. What due process would I have under this?
the issue of illegal immigration took center stage.
If it is unlawful for an individual to be in the United States, it is also unlawful for them to be in the state of Ohio.
The bill these lawmakers are debating
Ohio is estimated to have over 118,000 undocumented immigrants, accounting for nearly 20% of the state's immigrant population.
is the proposed America First Act. The sponsors believe it can stop the Los Angeles immigration protests from happening here.
Let's just look at Los Angeles over this last week. We are better than California. We can do better than that. We ought to do better than that.
Under the bill, Ohio law enforcement would be required to report anyone detained for unlawful presence to ICE or else.
Provisions to require law enforcement agencies and detention facilities to cooperate in the enforcement of federal immigration laws and imposes penalties on subdivisions that refuse to do so.
Immigration attorney Brian Burke has practiced immigration law for 14 years. He says the bill faces legal questions about states attempting to enforce federal immigration law.
The more concerning part of it is the penalization or criminalization of unlawful presence in the United States, which is something that makes my head spin.
We asked why.
Under federal immigration laws, it is not a crime to be unlawfully present in the United States. It's an immigration violation. It's not really listed as a crime.
Under the bill, those detained by ICE would receive a 72-hour window to get out of the state once they're released. And it would give people a 90-day window for those seeking asylum and those in need of a visa extension. Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.